Look at that view right here. Look at that. Let's go. Oh, the girl just fell. How's it going? Bro, left me hanging, bro. Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Josiah, back at it again with another video. We're going to meet with the homie. He pulling out the scatty packy. We really don't know what we're doing yet, but we're gonna figure it out. Bro, I just realized how loud my bike is. Like just now. It's hella loud. Like I can't hear anything. 1,000 subscribers by August. Oh, I think it's possible. Bro, there's bikes. Holy macaroni. For sure. It looks like it's a 300 or a 400. Yes, sir. Oh, the girl just fell. I can't tell. You okay?
Yeah. Hey, thank you for turning around.
Oh yeah, of course, for sure. I'm glad you're okay. Hey,
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later, alright? Hey bro, that scared me. But I just wanted to make sure, because when you drop your bike like that, it can fall on your leg and and you can f your shit up, even from going 1 mile an hour. So I had to make sure she was good. Alright, but she was fine. She was obviously shaky though. She was just nervous. She's like, it's my first day. I'm like, yeah, glad they're okay. So we're meeting at the DuPont Pirellis, right? Alright. I just flew past some police. I might get pulled over. I made it to like this city, like McDonald's. I'm looking for you. To your left. Oh, you alone? But for now, and then we can figure it out, because I honestly don't know. We'll go out the way we came and take a right. Deer. Like a normal citizen. I don't think he cares. Yeah, if you lower that a couple inches, bro, that'd be crazy. Hi. 100% chance we're taking pictures. Holy sh**. Back to back like this? No, it's not even as far as mine. How's it going? Bro, left me hanging, bro. That's crazy. I'm gonna turn my grab my phone and take some flicks. What up, YouTube? So we just took some good gnarly pictures at the sunset right here. We just took some crazy pictures. Look at that. Look at that view right here. Look at that. Let's go. And the car. Get the view of the car. Oh, with the sun right over it. Let's go. Alright, YouTube. Took some fire pictures. We're about to go down the water, see if there's any spots. Not gonna stop. Just gonna see. Hold on, I got you. Right here. Hey. Oh yeah, I'm already up 15 degrees. Oh shit, we're rolling! Sheesh! This is actually kind of fun. I'm kind of zooming, actually. Oh shoot! Oh, dead end? Hold on. Stop, and we'll take a right. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Nice view. Bro, there's no way. I thought it was gonna be, I was about to have fun. Alright. Oh yeah, this view is gonna go crazy. I know, this video is about to look so good. More bikes. That's my bike. Yeah, that's my bike, the green one. Whenever you go, I'll go. Yeah, go. We gotta do more dates. You really want to go, bro? Bro, that shit's funny. Open the picture. I'll see it while we're moving. Yo, what the so at the light at the top of the... What are we doing? You're gonna take a right at the light. Is he actually? Are you behind me or is he behind me? Oh hell no. Does he really think he's fast? He went straight? I was so ready too. I was like, alright, bet. Alright, bet. Shit! Bro, that's dope. Up here, I get to say hi. It's clean. Hey! That's so dope. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more on the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap that bell. If you want to let me know anything, let me know in the comments. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Remember, Jesus loves you. Peace.